Welcome to Maintenance AR Experience. To begin the experience, look for the mark on the panel and scan it. Please take the multimeter. Once there, turn the wheel to the first option, voltage. We will now perform the measurements in the points indicated by the holograms. The photograph was successful. It will now be sent to the central. Press the emergency button. Now disarm the redundant source. Open the fuse holder. Check the fuse and close it. Arm the redundant source. Finally, reset the emergency button. Congratulations! The error has been resolved and the plant has been notified. This experience has now ended. Thank you very much for participating.